Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer money to Deriv MT5. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Deriv website. Click Login at the top right corner. Enter your email and password and click Login to access your account. Navigate to menu and click on Cashier to access financial transactions. In the Cashier section, you will see multiple options. Click on Transfer to move funds between your Deriv accounts. Under the From section, select your Deriv wallet, and under the To section, select your Deriv MT5 account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then click Transfer to complete it. The transfer is instant. Just log into your MT5 account to check if the funds have been successfully credited. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.